All right, so who is Miss Bond?
Okay.
Okay. So you were magistrated earlier, I believe. Is that correct? You saw a judge and the judge went over your rights with you and everything? Okay. And so as part of that, you had the emergency protective order that was issued, but I think there was one person added. So I just want to go over the emergency protective order with you. So to make sure you've been told about all of it. Okay. And there were some additional addresses. So with the emergency protection order, this is for the protection of, I believe it's either Royce or Boyce Bond.
That is my son, yes.
Okay. Ashley Champ, Jeremy Champ, and Riley Champ, who were on there before. You're prohibited from committing family violence or an assault or any type of stalking or trafficking offense against them. You're prohibited from communicating directly with them in a threatening or harassing manner or communicating a threat through someone else to them. You're prohibited from going within 200 yards of number A in Lago Vista, Texas. And also, it looks like someone's place of employment in Lago Vista, Texas. And then there are the schools or childcare facilities or other residences of the children, I believe. Road in Lago Vista, 70 Vista, and two in Lago Vista. So you have to stay away from those locations as well.
I have a question. I'm sorry.
Yes, let me hold on just a second. Let me make my correction here and I'll be right with you. And Lily, just finish it and then I want to answer any questions. So no possessing a firearm, a violation could result in a new charge. And then this is in effect until midnight on May the 28th, 2024. All right. So what is your question?
So I literally just came here with my wallet and my phone and my glasses. That is my place of residence where I have all of my belongings and even my work phone and all of that. How do I go about getting that? Because my mom already tried and Ashley is not letting her get my stuff.
Okay.
So am I able to bring like a peace officer with me and my mom, or?
Well, I mean, you can't go to that residence. That is at the Bonanza Street.
Yes.
Okay, you can't go there within 200 yards of it. So you do have to get someone else to do that for you. And I mean, you can attempt to see if law enforcement would go with your mother as long as you stay more than 200 yards away. I don't know if they will. Maybe in a smaller area, they're willing to do that. You would just have to check with them.
Okay. So I literally just have the clothes on my back. Like I was not even in, I don't even have a bra, Your Honor. I don't even have a bra, Your Honor. I don't even have a bra, Your Honor. Apologize. This is all completely catching me by blindside. Even the protective order with my own baby on it.
So I don't have it in front of me. Do you remember, did the judge regarding the bond condition say no contact?
Not to my knowledge. I just thought it was no like threatening manner. I was under the impression that I could at least still go get my stuff. And I just can't stay there, that I had to have either someone like a officer or my mom go get it. But she tried and he won't even give her any of my stuff.
I do not have your bond conditions in front of me.
Okay.
If they say no contact, then you can't personally have any contact. And if it says 200 yards, stay away, you have to stay more than 200 yards from him. So you can't go. And you certainly can't go based on the emergency protection order to that residence. So I think, the other option you have is to consult with a lawyer to see what your options are. And or for your mother, or if I don't know what his relationship and your mom's relationship is, or if there's another friend that he gets along with better. You just need to talk to a lawyer to see. And you should have a lawyer. Are you going to post bond and get out?
I was told I was going to be here for 12 hours and then released. So it keeps changing. So I have no idea what's going on. I
Okay.
was going to call my mom and then I never even got that opportunity to. She has been waiting outside for me, I guess. So I have no idea.
Okay. Did you get a personal bond?
I have no idea, ma'am. I was told by the magistrate this morning that I needed to talk to the prosecutor and then that was it. Yeah.
Well, I don't know about that. The judge should have told you this morning whether you get a personal bond or if you have to post bond and go through a bail bond company. Do you remember that?
He did not say anything about that. He told me that it's a Class C. It's basically like a $500 ticket. So I'm still boggled by the fact that there's other inmates in here who have $75,000 bail bonds and I'm here for a $500 ticket allegedly. And
Okay,
like I was told initially.
now I see that it's a Class C. So you
Yeah,
don't
it's
have to post any money, put up any money to get out. Probably you were having to wait to see a judge again about this corrected EPO. So hopefully you'll be able to get released pretty quickly. And I'll get this turned in so they can start that process. Then you'll just have to either talk to a lawyer or figure out a way to communicate, depending on what your bond conditions, if any, are, about getting your things. Okay? So
Okay.
you'll be given paperwork that says if you have any bond conditions. If there
Okay.
aren't any bond conditions, then you just have to follow this EPO.
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor. So does that mean that I actually am being released today or?
Yes, you should be. It's a class, looking at this, if this is all you have, it's a Class C, then you don't have to put up any money to be released. I'll turn this emergency protection order in so they can get it processed. Okay?
The magistrate did say that I have a chance to appeal that emergency protection order. Is that true? Modified, I'm sorry, modified.
I mean, I think you need to talk to a lawyer to
Okay.
see what a lawyer advises you to do. This is in effect for 2 months, basically. So, I can't give you advice, but talk to a lawyer to see what you can do. You just need to make sure you follow this so you don't get in any more trouble unless it gets changed. Okay? All right. Thank you.